Hi everyone, here we've got LG K52 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this device. So first of all, we have to enter our browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, so let's enter it, and now let's tap on this three dots icon, the list of previously visited websites. If you'd like to remove only one of it, just tap on this X button right next to it, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. But if you'd like to clear much more advanced browsing data, just tap on clear browsing data right here. And here we've got some basic and advanced options. In basics, we can remove browsing history, cookies and site data, and cached images and files. And after tapping on advanced, we can also remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. If you'd like to remove something, for example saved passwords, just make sure that the option will be marked. So let me remove saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. What's more, you can change the time range right here from last hour to, for example, last 7 days. Simply tap on it, and if you are ready, tap on clear data. As you can see, the history has been cleared successfully, and also of course all the advanced options like the passwords. So actually that's all. This is how to clear browsing data in your LG K52. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.